Unpack the box and check for any missing accessories. Use M5x45 socket head cap screws and a 4mm Allen wrench to install and secure the gantry frame and base. Install and secure the filament holder to the gantry frame. Secure the screen with screws. Insert the FPC into the port on the back of the screen. Insert the two Z-axis motor cables. Insert the combined cable with the base into the port on the back of the print head. Use two M3x6 round screws to secure the cable. Insert the X-axis motor cable into the port located below the X-axis motor. Use cable ties for fastening. Use a wrench to adjust the eccentric nuts located beneath the print platform, beneath the print head, and at the rear of the X-axis, so that the print platform, print head, and Z-axis slide smoothly and without wobbling. Select the correct voltage according to the local voltage. Connect the power supply and turn on the device. Complete the self-test according to the startup instructions. To load the filament, you can slide the gear on the print head to the right to feed the filament, or follow the filament loading and unloading steps displayed on the screen. Insert the USB flash drive, tap the file icon on the screen. Click on USB. Select the file to begin printing. It can only read G-code files for printing. Search for Orca Slicer on the web and click to visit the official website. Click Download. Choose the installation package based on your computer's operating system. Click Open File. Click Next to confirm successful installation. Copy the folder named Longer and the JSON file. Right-click on Orca Slicer and select Open File Location. Double-click the Resources folder. Double-click the Profiles folder. Copy the two copied Longer files into this folder. Open Orca Slicer. Follow the setup wizard to begin the setup process. Search for Longer. Select the LK10 0.4mm nozzle. Click Next. Select the type of filament you are using. Click Next to complete the configuration settings. Select the LK10 printer in the printer section. Click Edit to the right of the filament. Open Advanced to see more settings. Connect your computer to the same network as the machine. Click Connect. Select Octo/Klipper as the host type. Enter the IP address assigned to the machine. Press Enter, then click Test. Click OK. Click Import. Select Import 3 MF/STL. Click on Slice Plate. Click Print. Select Upload and Print. Waiting for printing to complete.